Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today it's the 24th of May and it's Sunday, and I want to review this box of Johnny Lightnings. And this is an older release, Classic Gold from 2017, and it's release 1, and underneath you can see the case code. It's already opened because I already have this one for quite a while, but they are still in there and I want to show them to you. So the first one, there's the packaging. There you can see it's the Classic Gold collection, and this is Rainey's 1965 Pontiac GTO, and there you can see it's 2017 series release 1, and it's custom gold metallic, the color. And they are limited to 1256 pieces, so that's not many. There's the back of the car. And there is the front. And I think this, I don't know if this is the original one or the one on the back. I think the one on the back is the original color. There's the base, rubber tires. Let's have a look at the back. There's the code, some more info, and there is the release of this case. Let's have a look at the next one. And that's a nice one. That's an Oldsmobile. And it's a Cutlass Supreme from 1977. Number 1 of the case. This is a nice piece. Maybe a little bit small for 1/64 scale, because it's a huge car. But nevertheless a nice version. Nice grille, and it's in plain white. There you have the base. There you have the art. Okay, next one. And that's a nice one. That's International Scout 3 from 1979. And there you have, I think, the Hearst symbol. I'm not sure. There's the color buff. And also 1256. So a very small release of cars. Nice tires and rims. Let's have a look at the front. Very nice front. There is the back of the car. Let's have a look at the base. And the whole packaging. Nice one. Next. And there you have a Mercury Cougar XR7G in cardinal red. Dan Gurney Special Edition. With a very nice top. Also nice rims on this one. There's the packaging. Let's have a look at the front of the car. And the back of the car. Small look at the base. Nice piece. Next one. And there you have a Lincoln Continental. There's the packaging. And there you can see the type 1961 Lincoln Continental. In a very nice color, royal red poly. Nice rims. And the back of the car. Nice version. And the base. And the last one. And that's a Ford Gran Torino from 1974 in the very nice gold, yellow gold glow poly. This color looks very nice, very shiny. There's your grille. When round 2 started up, they had very small releases, like this figure from 1256. All the boxes were in quite limited editions. Now they are making much more of each. There's the packaging. Nice art. Let's have a look at the base. Okay. That was my review. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.